All right, hello everybody. I'm over here at my open house at 14702 Somerset Horizon Lane here in Houston, Texas. Getting ready for my people to show up today. I got a few calls on my other phone today, so hey, everything is looking good so far. So I got my little snacks right here, if you can see, set up for my people right there, little chips and everything. Also, you check out the water bottle. You got my name and everything, my picture on there. Hey, trying to make it happen. Oh, sorry, I'm going to make it happen. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm excited always to be an agent, a real estate agent, and it means the world to me. I get a chance to meet interesting people all from all walks of life, and that's an awesome thing. I really do enjoy it. Getting a chance to educate people on different things, on the buying process, selling process, investment